Cetaphil sent us their moisturizing cream so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. I absolutely love this stuff. Better than any lotion I've ever had. I have bumpy skin, especially in the winter. It gets really, really bumpy. And I also have eczema patches on some parts of my body, especially the upper arms and my thigh areas. And this stuff gets rid of it in no time. It is so thick, as you can see here. It is almost like ice cream. I mean, it's not going to drop out of the container. It's so thick and plump and juicy. I love this stuff. It's for dry to very dry skin. It has glycerin, vitamins B, 3, and 5. Great for sensitive skin. Great for any type of skin dryness, or eczemas, or any like bumpy skin problems that you may have. Definitely use this. A little goes a long way. I use it for my hands, especially after a hot shower, to provide hydration because the hot water is very dehydrating and drying. So you definitely want to moisturize. It leaves your skin so supple and soft and smooth. Absolutely love it. Again, it doesn't sit on the surface of your skin. It absorbs very nicely, so it's not sticky or tacky, which is very, very nice and very important. When you put lotion on, especially thick lotion, you don't want it to feel like really sticky between your fingers. I hate that. But this is awesome. We love the Cetaphil brand and would always highly recommend.